We're back in Jaipur after a 3-hour bus ride from Ranthambore. We find our room for one night at the Oberoi Rajvilas Hotel. We're off for a whirlwind tour of the Pink City. The color is more terracotta than pink, but it's been that way since it was painted this hue for the visit of the future Edward VII of England in 1876. The Palace of the Winds, built in 1799, is a major landmark in central Jaipur. It was built so the women of the royal household could observe street festivals while unseen from the outside. The top of the Palace of the Winds, as seen from our next stop, the Jantar Mantar. What looks like a child's playground or a modern sculpture garden is really a collection of 19 astronomical instruments built in 1734. Included is the world's largest stone sundial, 88 feet high. It's calibrated in 2-second increments. The sun's shadow visibly moves at 1 millimeter per second. This sundial has 2 faces, one for use in the summer when the sun is in the northern hemisphere, and the other in the winter when the sun is in the southern hemisphere. Accuracy is less than 1 minute. This bowl-shaped instrument is a map of the sky and allows an observer to move inside the instrument and measure altitudes, azimuths, and declinations. These 12 structures measure the elliptical coordinates of the stars, planets, and all 12 constellations of the zodiac. So the big question, why did they need accurate astronomical measurements in 1734? Knowing the position of the heavenly bodies at the time of a person's birth allowed astrologers to foretell the person's future. Our next stop is the city palace. The Raj Mahal, meaning auspicious palace, is now a museum housing a variety of textiles. It's a fusion of Islamic, Rajput, and European architectural styles built in the late 19th century. The Chandra Mahal is the current residence of descendants of the former rulers of Jaipur. The Hall of Public Audience is being readied for a wedding tonight. There are a pair of these huge silver urns in the Hall of Public Audience. They were made for Maharaja Sawai Singh II to carry Ganges water to drink on his trip to England in 1901. That wraps up our abbreviated city tour. It would have been easy to spend 3 or more days here. Back at the Oberoi Rajvilas, we explore a little and get ready for dinner. Dinner is at the Raj Mahal Restaurant, where we are entertained with traditional Rajasthan dancing and music. In the morning, the buses are here to take us to the airport. We almost don't want to leave. There's so much more to do here. They give us a Rajasthani send-off. And soon enough, we're at the airport. The Explorer is waiting for us, but it looks like the crew's gone native.